Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see how to clean your Gmail inbox. So many a times actually what happens, so Gmail provide by default 15 GB data to personal Gmail mailbox. So that get actually full and we don't know how to clean that thing properly. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so now I am into my Gmail account. So here, how you can search, suppose you want to delete mail older than 1 month or 1 year or 2 year. So how to do that? So you will type here older underscore then colon, then suppose you want to delete mails older than 1 year. So 1y, you can see 21 21 21. Okay, older than 1 year mails are coming. If you will change this to 2, so here you can see 20. If you change this to m, then only older than 2 months, like this. Now suppose, let me show you by deleting mail older than 1 year, 2 years. Okay, now select this and delete. Okay, now search again. You will not find any mail older than 2 years. Yeah. Same way you can search for 1 year older. If you don't want mails older than 1 year, then this way, this is the way. Select all and delete. 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 Just keep on deleting. Done. Now you try to search older than 1 year, not coming. Older than 2 years is also not coming. Yes, older than 2 months will come. Okay. This is the way to clean up your mailbox. Now suppose you want mail not more than 1 day. This is the way. Select, delete. I'm deleting all mails. This is it. If I remove this, I don't have any mails in my inbox. So this is the way to control. Again, older than 1 day, older than 2 months, older than 1 year, older than 2 years. This is the way to clean your mailbox properly as per your requirement. Okay. Thank you so much, friend, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. This is my new channel, and if you need video like this, then please subscribe and like my channel and my video also. Thank you.